Hey everybody, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Club Couture. Today I'm really excited about something new that's coming to Club Couture. Starting February 1st, we are going to have a Club Couture subscription. It's awesome, I think. It's great for people that they don't have a lot of supplies or room for a lot of supplies, but they would like to try it. And let me tell you what comes in that. You get a transfer like this one. This is actually our January Club Couture, and I'm going to do a video on this later. But you get one of these, and you get 3 single Chalkology paste colors. And here's what one of them is. And it's more than enough to do this project and several other. So, but yet you don't have a whole lot of stock that you build up. And you get to try it and play with it. And what's even better, it's $19.99 a month is your subscription, and it's shipping free. Did you get that? Free shipping. Awesome. I love it when I can get free shipping. I hate adding that extra cost to that. So anyway, it'll be on the website. So starting February 1st, you'll see it on the top on my website, which is chalkcouture.com/Sherry Criswell. I also have it on the screen. So you go on the top, and one of the tabs will have Club Couture. And you just click that and you can subscribe. You subscribe in February, your subscription will start the following month in March. And you're obligated for 3 months in a row. And that's it. So, anyhow, I do want to tell you too, one quick thing. When you enroll, the original enrollment, you can also start a Kickstart kit. So if you don't have any surfaces, you would like to have some more supplies, you can order. It's completely optional, and the only time you can order it is when you sign up. And in it, and I'm just reading off the page, Kickstart Kit includes a small squeegee, which is like this. This is the tool you use to put it on. A multi-tool, which is another great tool. This can get around the edge of the jars that the paste come in, and a smaller squeegee, made out of the same material. You get a board eraser, and this comes in a pack of 2, and this is great for taking off, cleaning your transfers, also taking off if you have ghosting on a surface after you've removed it. This will take it right off. The Chalkology paste, which is just like this. You get, you get the white Chalkology paste, and you get the regular 3-ounce size, which is, let's see, it's like that. And this will last you a while. This, by the way, is the most popular color. You get a couture gallery board, 9 by 12. Here's a sample of mine. And it's magnetic. This is a magnet, and it just stick on there. These are nice, really nice. And you get a board and base, which this is mine. And of course it goes forward and backwards, and it's 2-sided. So that's pretty cool. All right. Oh, if you do get the Kickstart kit though, there is a shipping charge on that. Not on your monthly subscription, but there is on this. So let's go on with the video. Now to go over real quick on all of our transfers, you just turn it over, and they give you the instructions for the peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. And I just keep what it comes in. It's sticky on one end. Just take the plastic outer coating off of here. Pull this off. Save this. When you're done, I put it back in here, and it has a little place where you can hang it up, which on the bigger ones I do on a hanger on the closet. Otherwise, I put them in a drawer, which these are small enough to fit into a drawer. So after you take this off, just take it and cut along the cut line. So now after I cut along the cut lines, and then I marked the back of what they are, so it makes it easier to put it back together when you're done. I just squeegee on the chalk paste and peel it off. It still amazes me how great it looks when you take it off. Now I'm placing the other two by the shoes, and I'm putting the backing down on the chalk that I did before, just so I don't pull any of it up. These transfers are sticky. And you can do some fuzzing too to take some of the stickiness off. Now here's the second layer, putting the soles of the shoe in Currant Jam, my new favorite color. I love it. And look at that pop. Wouldn't you love walking around in a pair of shoes like that? Life is short, buy the shoes. And believe me, if I thought I could walk in them, I would buy them. I love it. I did that, and it wasn't that hard, and it didn't take that long. So what do you guys think? Thanks for stopping by. Bye.